Feeling trapped in the lead generation labyrinth, wondering if Zillow Flex is your golden ticket or just another shiny distraction? Let's dissect whether Zillow Flex 35 truly pays off for agents like you. First, understand Zillow Flex 35's core. You pay a referral fee only when a Flex referred lead closes. This differs drastically from upfront subscription models. Next, honestly assess your conversion skills. Zillow Flex relies on you nurturing leads, so if your follow-up game is weak, the leads, no matter how good, are going to die on the vine. Crunch the numbers. Track how many Flex leads you receive, your contact rate, appointment rate, and ultimately, your closing rate. Compare these metrics to your current lead sources. Calculate your average commission per transaction. This will help you determine if the Flex referral fee makes financial sense compared to your profit margin. Consider the competitive landscape in your area. High-demand areas might mean more competition for Flex leads, potentially impacting your success. Weigh the pros and cons. Pay close is appealing, but remember, lead quality can vary, and your success hinges on your salesmanship. Do your homework, track your metrics, and determine if Flex truly flexes for your business needs.